The blank is responsible for the selection of the circuit class used on a system.
No, designer, engineer.
Woo! B-face.
Oh! Right on your tail.
You got your points. Oh man, you guys just
A-face needs to catch up over there.
Yeah, there's a ton of questions. He's making a comeback, bro.
Secondary power supplies for fire alarm systems must operate the system in standby. Quiescence for a period of at least
24 hours.
Correct.
Nice job, A-face.
In my head, I think I know what the question's asking, but it isn't.
Yeah.
And I just get stuck.
NFPA 72 requires the fire alarm equipment to operate between blank and blank.
32 and 120.
Nice.
Oh, man, you guys
A-face is coming back.
are pretty close here now.
I think we just take the hit if we don't know it. You know?
That's why I want to put a 5-point penalty. Like,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Right. But
Otherwise, it didn't.
Then I feel like it would just be like you won't answer unless you absolutely knew.
Well, that's kind of the point,
I
right?
think too is like he said.
People on Jeopardy don't answer the question or the answer when they don't know the
Yeah,
question.
but then
Right?
most of the questions would just be like, no answer.
Alright, so be careful what we say out loud.
This is going good though.
All right, ready? Secondary power supplies for ECS must operate the system and alarm all connected load for a period of at least. Secondary.
16 hours.
I'll read it again. Secondary power supplies for ECS must operate the system in an alarm for a period of at least blank minutes.
Can't answer. B.
You guys can answer. You guys, if you want, you got. It's a fairly short period of time compared to. Anybody?
we can't go yet.
What, you guys didn't answer?
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, we tried.
They can't go again. They answered
Oh, I know
incorrectly.
these guys, sorry.
I need Ryan to ground up here.
Would it? Come on, hit the button. You gotta get
15 minutes.
Correct.
Fuck. Yeah, Ryan.
Sorry.
What? What you got to say over there?
Hey,
I didn't know if you guys heard
this is a
me.
friendly game show.
I
Right?
said it like
No, we don't
I
listen
said
to
it as
you.
soon as I
He
said
said
it.
it before.
A-face and C-face are tied for first place.
Oh, we suck.
A
Actually, wait, no.
Well, one answer, one question.
Yeah, if we get one right, we win.
system that uses a full evacuation scheme draws 1.2 amps in standby and 3.1 amps in alarm will require reach of the following capacities. The answer is amp hours.
I did it.
I don't remember doing this at all.
I think. Wait, was 3.1 in the question?
Oh.
12.
It's a decimal. It's
Uh,
it has a decimal.
you guys pass? You guys pass?
Say
You guys,
28.
you guys,
Yeah.
28?
B-phase minus
All right.
2.
Give it a shot, guys.
it's 34.9 amp hours.
34. Yeah, that's like a.
Yeah.
That's what I was
Not
thinking.
much.
We have to do the math for that question.
Somebody did it, I think Cody or somebody did it. I remember.
Yeah.
Alright. This one should be easy, right? Chapter 3, because you just said it.
I don't think you should go in order.
I think I go in order.
Ruin Dylan's plan.
Dylan, like,
Yeah.
you see it, but you don't remember it.
He's a man of order.
Yeah.
So we're on chapter 1 now?
1 and 2 are on 3. There's 12.
And this is the last chapter?
Yeah.
And how many questions are left?
12.
Okay.
Starting with question 1.
Lightning round.
So I'm going to do what he said. I'm going to skip around.
random 6.
Make sure you
That's fine. I'm not scared.
I'm not
scared.
I didn't think you were, man.
mark the ones you asked so you don't skip them.
So make a pencil mark or something to do it.
Open web bar joists are not a factor in heat detector spacing unless the top cord.
Ah.
4 inches?
Nice job. B-phase gets 5.
You hit that button really hard.
Yeah, don't hit my buttons too hard.
I broke that one already. I put it
Mike
together.
is.
No, oh, Mike?
Fine out. This button
Those buttons I got tons of. These ones I don't.
Oh, okay.
Rate of rise, heat detectors operate when the temperature increases blank per minute.
Oh, what the hell?
You didn't let go. You held it down.
You gotta let
Because
go.
I didn't let go?
Yeah.
That's fucked up, man.
Minus 5 points for swearing.
I'm not even saying it out loud.
Minus 2.
Pay attention! I want to.
12 to 15.
Fine, correct.
30 minutes.
C phase plus 5. A phase minus 2.
A projected beam smoke.
Yo, where's
detector-
that?
Oh, sorry. It's good you got the lights on the back of there. Should be a grinder, even though I can do it.
Right?
Projected beams.
Reflect.
Yep.
Oh!
Let me finish the question now. A projected beam smoke detector operates on the blank principle. Who's that?
Who was that?
Who was that?
You did that, Dylan. Don't lie.
Obstruction?
What kind of structure?
Like obstruction?
I know it.
With the dust particles.
Correct. It says light obscuration. What's the same thing?
Light something what?
Obscuration.
Literally the same word.
Yes.
Different
It is.
Mechanical guards for initiating devices have a tendency to.
It's button, dude.
They have a tendency,
When I'm freaking out, that means hit the button.
uh,
Oh my god.
they
I like how
make it work
enthusiastic you
less
are.
good. How am I supposed to say that? Decrease efficiency.
That's not it. I mean, it is.
Come on, it is.
That's it.
Reduce sensitivity of the
Yeah.
device. It's kind of the same thing.
I agree.
Make it work less good.
I was thinking when you said that. It's kind of
Like,
what
how
the
do they
answer.
word it though?
Yeah. Valve supervisory tampering switches must indicate off normal within 1/5 of travel distance of the valve.
2 cycles.
It lit up.
Woo! C phase is on a roll.
I thought for sure you guys would be way ahead.
Dylan won't hit the button.
I'm not good at doing things quick. I get the right.
Then get somebody else in there.
You can't.
No, I.
We assigned
Nice
captains.
captain, right?
Okay,
Not good at
okay.
either.
I say a captain should be able to choose a button meister.
Button meister.
Yeah.
Button jockey.
Next time, no change the rules.
No, we got her.
No, yeah, you're right. You're
Can you
right.
leave this up? Like I asked you, for how long?
I asked Chris when the next thing, and I got a conduit class that I got to worry about. But I don't know. We'll figure it out.
At least for my next two classes. Like,
You know what the problem is? My CE class is going to be heartbroken that you guys are all playing with it before they got it finalized.
which of the following is an alarm initiating device? Temperature switch, level switch,
Water flow switch.
Wow, good job.
How early can we hit it before we get in trouble?
As early as you want.
He just sounds creepy.
But then you just.
I didn't even get halfway through the
You really do got the wrong guy hitting the button over
I
there.
took a risk on the last one and
Yeah.
lost money, so.
Jeremiah is willing to take
Wherever you
risks.
know it, you can press
Well,
it.
I am.
You remember that negative 4 up there?
List of spacing of smoke detectors is
30 feet.
No.
-2 for C phase.
Can we answer? We're hitting the button.
No.
We're actively hitting the button.
Reset.
This is baloney. We're here. Okay. None of the above.
50 feet, right?
B phase gets 5 points.
I thought it was 30. I couldn't find anything.
Yeah,
But
No,
there's no
different
requirement.
type of ceilings have different ones.
Yeah, I always thought it was 30 feet because that's what I was told. But when I was reading over it, there is no.
Well, I
depends on
guess
the type-
it's for a specific type because I found it in the text.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a type, it depends
Yeah,
on the
for
type of
flat.
ceiling. To
30 feet is for flat, and then if it's like high rise, it's every.
But they didn't specify in the question, right?
Yeah,
so
Yeah, it's
none of
fucked
the
up. I mean, that's freaking messed up, man.
That will be a rule next time.
For beams and joists exceeding for beams and joists exceeding 10% of the ceiling height, and beam spacing is equal to or greater than
40%. No. Hold on.
No,
Oh!
Damn it! I was reading the question in my head.
Finish, please.
For you guys, for beams and joists exceeding 10% of the ceiling height, and and beam spacing is equal to or greater than 40% of the ceiling height, comma, 0.48. Spot type detectors must be located
Oh, this sucks.
Can you read it again?
for beams and joists exceeding 10% of the ceiling height, and beam spacing is equal to or greater than 40%.
In every cavity?
No.
No.
Is that the way?
Yeah, beam pocket or cavity.
Yeah, nice.
Dude, I literally read the question in my head, and the next section was 40%. So
Right,
that's why I said
I can't read it.
darn.
What do we got here? 42.
How many questions you got?
We got 1, 2, 3, 4 left.
4 questions left.
4 questions is 20 points. Anyone can win.
Right.
This really doesn't matter.
Heat detectors must be located so that they are within blank multiplied by the listed spacing of all points in the ceiling.
27?
Correct.
Reset.
What?
Which of the following is a supervisory signal initiating device?
Can't switch.
Woohoo! Nice save. Anybody's game.
Which area is a good location for a heat detector?
Garage. Wait,
No.
isn't it?
No.
Oh!
No.
He said garage. Is it right or wrong?
He already answered. But he's not wrong, though. There's
Right.
Yes,
Garage.
yeah, but that's not the answer.
It's not the answer to the question.
And
How do we go? There's 3 parts to that.
You weren't gonna read.
Finish the other 2 parts.
You weren't gonna read the possible answers anyway, correct?
No, he was. You always press it first.
No, he doesn't.
Garage
he doesn't
and
know that.
industrial.
That's
All
wrong.
of
They
the
took
above is
risks.
not-
They answered too quick.
Garage
He
and
also said
industrial.
garage.
He said they take
There's
risks.
the 3.
He said garage and then went, oh, wait.
Let's just, hey, let's just, hey, to be,
Part of the question.
to be,
I said wait a minute because I.
wait, reset. To be fair, let's just table the question.
I'll nix that one.
We
If it
needed
comes down to a
that question.
tiebreaker, I'll make
Catch
one.
up.
I'll make
Okay.
another one, alright?
How many questions you got left? 3?
3, I think.
All right, that's good. Just go with that. Anybody can still win.
You got 2, there's 2.
Anybody can win still.
Which type of detector uses a small amount of radioactive
Ionization.
B phase +5. I don't think A phase can't win.
You have one more, right?
Yes.
Well, technically,
Let me make up one here.
Wait, now. Yeah, because
Yeah.
they got the one wrong.
No. I don't think you need to do that.
No?
That might tilt the whole thing off. How many questions you got left? 2?
No,
one.
they have
There was
none
one,
left
but
because they
Well,
messed
there
up
was
the
one
one
in the
we got
question
right.
we nixed. So
Then
I
we
think I
won.
gotta pick
Then we
one.
won.
Then we won.
Because we knew that
You
answer
don't
right
keep
away.
changing the rules. You expected us to win and we won.
This is why we do a beta test.
We were about to press it.
We already did.
You guys did not argue our
Go ahead
correct
then.
answer.
What's that?
Go ahead then.
Okay.
That was the third correct.
Alright, Scott's got a good point here. I'll go with chapter we haven't done yet.
There you go. There you go. I like that.
Do a couple more then.
What's that?
If you're gonna do a chapter we haven't done. We got one question left on chapter 3.
All right, so just how many questions do we have left total?
Well, it would be 1, but.
We could just
How many do we have? 2?
No, we have none left. But we have one.
2 questions left. 1 in that chapter and 1 in the other chapter, so any team could win right now.
Alright, we'll do 2 more.
2 more.
Alright, the one that. I don't know the answer.
You want to know.
Alright, I got one. What about, how long does battery backup system supposed to last for? Like, if the battery in the system? How many?
What are the question that you asked?
24 hours.
Yeah, you already asked that.
Good.
No, I asked,
No,
an
you
answer
did.
question.
Yeah.
Oh, we answered that.
It was worded differently.
Last time.
It was worded differently, but you did ask.
That's the same question.
It was worded differently.
I'm just, whatever, dude. It is what it is, but that was the same question.
but it was worded different.
But it's fine.
You should have got it right.
Yeah,
Well, I was confused because we already did it.
What was the previous? I'll rule it. What was the previous question?
It was
It was in
24
chapter
hours. Yeah, it was 24
Backup
amp hours.
No,
No, it was 24
wasn't
hours.
Just go to some let's table that one too.
Thank you.
And then we'll pick another question from another chapter, a real question.
I got a good question.
That's great, but you're a contestant, so you
I
don't
know.
ask it. This is in jeopardy. Why am I fortunate enough to be in this program?
Alright, chapter 4. What is the minimum distance that a visual notification appliance must be located from the end of a corridor?
How are we supposed to know what it is?
That's the
Think about the job site.
I don't know.
See?
That's 15 feet.
Whoa! See? He takes risks.
Alright, we're done now. That was our extra question. We're done now, right?
Now you got the last one, right?
No, there's one more.
One more question. Anybody's game right now. Literally, whoever wins this, reset. Reset. Last question.
Oh, you guys should get this. Visual notification appliances must be mounted between blank and blank above the finished floor.
Blank and blank finished floor.
If you were to mount it on the wall, you can mount it on the ceiling, but on the wall.
It would be
Read the question again.
Which notification appliances must be mounted between blank and blank above the finished floor? Visual.
So how much? 6 feet and 8 feet.
oh,
72 and 84 inches.
inches.
That's right. It's close.
That's really close.
What do you say, 72 and what?
84.
Is that within the range?
84 too.
It's partially, but it's not.
It's not the right answer. Go to another question.
Okay.
We're not subtracting points for this, correct?
I did.
No, he
Oh, you
did.
did?
Yeah.
Well, we didn't answer.
That's why there's a risk and a reward.
Question, so I think that's game over.
It's whatever. I'm confident.
Still anybody's game.
That was your game over. That was the last question.
C-Phase, you might want to be sure about your answer.
Yeah.
Alright, this is the last one. Where are we at for points wise?
So if no one,
Anybody can win right now.
so before we ask the question, if no one gets this, we win because we're winning.
No, I say you can do another question.
No.
Right.
Why are we going until we lose?
I'm saying
Right.
if you guys get it wrong, or if you guys just don't answer or get it wrong or whatever, and we don't do anything,
We win.
we win, correct?
Yeah.
Technically, if you're doing a game show and you got this many questions, then I would say yes. You're right.
Okay.
That's a lot of questions.
Fair enough.
Which now puts the pressure on you guys to just Hail Mary it.
Yeah. Tell me.
Okay. I like it. This is why I'm doing this. This is good. This is good.
Yeah.
So you're not gonna, you can try to hit the button?
Depends
We
on
know
what
it.
we know. We're not gonna guess.
Find a nice, easy one. What color is fire alarm wire? It all fell apart at the end.
Is something not even related to fire alarm?
That'd be fun.
If it's not fire alarm or data, I'm probably better off.
What is bugs?
Yeah, we got the two solar guys.
The average ambient sound pressure level, SPL, is measured over a blank period. How many hours?
You say it again?
The average ambient sound pressure level is measured over a blank period.
That's the last question.
You got to go for it.
Read.
The average ambient sound pressure level, SPL, is measured over a blank period.
24
That's
hours.
it.
Oh! Congratulations, C-Phase wins!
Alright, you guys win.
Hey, you get to leave early today. How's it feel? All right, good job, everybody. To our host, that was fun. That was a lot of fun. Fuck it, hey, that's great. Yeah.